Hi everyone, this is Music Corner and I'm doing a second take on this video because the first one was rather violent, so we decided with Nelly to do some little editing on it to portray it more accurately. So this is a Hyperion recording, and you need to know that Hyperion makes fantastic quality recordings. If you have audiophile persuasion to listen to audiophile quality recordings, you are not just listening for music, then this is a label for you. And here we have a very talented mezzo-soprano, Sarah Walker, and a very capable pianist, Graham Johnson. And they are a fantastic duo. And if you look at the song list, now we get a little bit of disappointment because it talks about Shakespeare's kingdom, but first of all, we are getting Schubert. Now that's not exactly Shakespearean time. And then Schumann, Brahms, Dick Strauss, Berlioz, Saint-Saëns, Horowitz, Sir Elgar, and what's going on? This has nothing to do with Shakespeare. So I'm a huge fan of medieval music, of music from Shakespeare's time, and that's why I was really excited about this album, because its cover, it really, both the title and the artwork really evokes the Shakespearean period feel to it. But as Nelly said, it's not the, how did you say? It's not the why. Not
the how and when, but the why.
Yes, it's not the how and the when, but the why. So why did they make this recording? Because it's a very modern recording, and the songs are performed in such a way that it's if you want to listen to music because you want a Shakespearean sentiment, which is balance, pure emotions, love, and really clean and pure ideas and feelings. This album is the exact opposite of that. And even when we look at Schubert's song, you cannot recognize any touch of Schubert in it. It's pure 20th century modern piece, and it's really modern. So it makes you think about why was this recording done at the first place, and why did they butcher it so badly. And it's really odd because the performers are fantastic, the song list is really awesome, recording quality is fabulous, but on the whole it just didn't make any sense whatsoever to the both of us. And so if you want to collect this record for its recording quality, it's a jackpot. If you want collect it for the album cover, the artwork, it's a fabulous cover. But please just do a favor for yourself and don't put it on your record player. So thank you for tuning in, and for next episode I will show you some real medieval music. So thank you, bye bye.